Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to disconnect earphone to our vivo phone. Guys, you want to disconnect this earphone in your vivo phone, so guys you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect earphone to our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting to disconnect this earphone. And sorry friend, before starting video guys, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, now let's start video. Open your phone setting, click on Bluetooth and device, click on guys Bluetooth. So as you can see guys, we have connected this earphone and guys we will disconnect. So guys, right side icon, click disconnect, and guys we'll click on this disconnect. And as you can see this red light, means guys we have disconnect this earphone. Then guys we will off our earphones, and guys we will off our Bluetooth also. So our earphone has disconnect in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.